Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download Corona in your laptop. So Corona is basically a game developing engine like Unity and Unreal Engine. So first paste the link which is given in the description over here and then enter. So you'll go here, you can read all of this and then download. So then you have to give your email ID and then you have to log in. So I'll pause it now and then I'll start again when I finish giving my details. Yeah, after that then you'll after logging in and entering the word problem, you'll come here, not the word problem, captcha, and then click on download Corona SDK. Yeah, and then if you are using a Microsoft Windows computer, you can download this. For Mac, this. I'm using a Windows computer, so I'm going to use this. And then you will see this downloading here. If you want, you can take a tour here, and then there'll be many good tutorials, but I'm not going to do that. So now Corona is downloaded. All you have to do is open, and then this, next, accept, next, install, yes. So it's getting downloaded. I'll fast forward it. After that, you'll see this dialog box, then click on finish. And this is what Corona Simulator. Then there'll be many apps like Corona Simulator, and then there'll also be Corona Debugger, Corona Console. You have to type some code here. This is simulator, like it's like a phone simulator, and then console. It's like a good game developing app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.